Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Pratik Mistry. I'm the founder of Railbot Solutions. You can look me up on railbotsolutions.com or also look me up on yoursalesforcebuddy.com. You can follow me on LinkedIn. For more such videos, please follow or subscribe our channel. For today's video, we are going to do an Einstein activity capture walkthrough. All right, so we are in our dev environment in the sales application. The first thing we'll do is go to the setup menu. For all those who are new to Salesforce, if you don't understand some certain terminologies, then please look out for our video of our Salesforce for beginners. So look for permission sets. Okay, and then you want to go to the standard Einstein activity capture permission set and make sure you assign users that require the Einstein activity capture functionality. So I'm going to add assignments. I'm going to assign to two users. One is Ada and another being myself. All right, so the permission set has been assigned to two users. The next thing we want to do is go to home under setup, look for Einstein activity capture. So here you can see that. Go to settings. Now for more convenience, you can also watch a video, but let's click on get started. This is where you kind of configure the Einstein activity capture. So just read through these terms because you want to make sure you are authorized by the company. Let's go ahead. Now I'm going to connect my Google G Suite. So click on next. All right. So click on the user level. Now you can give any name to your Einstein activity capture. Give a description if you like. If not, just leave it blank. It's always good to give a description, I will say. Check for all these information. So what do you want your Einstein activity to connect? Also, like, do the email sync, do the events. There's an option if you want to do it bi-directional or just Google to Salesforce or Salesforce to Google. Same thing you can do with contacts. Now, if you do with Google or Microsoft, it's pretty much same. So it's your choice how you want to do it. The next thing that you want to configure is how many days past today you want to sync with Salesforce and Google. So right now it's by default it says 180 days. We can reduce that to 15. Let's just do 15 days. And same thing over here, what it's saying is filter by end date. So when users first connect their account to Salesforce, include events that have an end date. So I want to do events that are just like 1 week old. And then do I want to sync private events? I don't want to sync private events. Do you want to remove deleted events? Sure. And then relate synced events to Salesforce records? Yes. Again, these are choice on how you want to do it. For contacts, you can certainly add some conditions if needed. If not, you can just leave as is. I can just show what kind of condition it comes to. So for example, if you want to add contacts which have birth date equal to something particular, then just sync those. If not, just leave it as is. Over here it says when a contact matches multiple Salesforce contacts, sync it with Salesforce contact that has the So I'm going to do most recent event activity. So the next one, it's going to ask me which users do I want to add. I'm going to add both the users, Ada and myself. Again, if your customer or your account has 20 users, then you need to add all 20 users. Over here is just asking me what domains does it want to exclude. So specifically when emails come in, is there a particular domain that you don't want to sync in with Salesforce? So you can add some domains that you know, specifically some companies do have particular domains or emails that they don't want to sync. So you can certainly add those here, but I'm going to leave it blank for now. And same thing, you can add particular email addresses. Now here it's asking me, do I want to share my activity with everyone or don't share? Now this is on the user based, so a user can also define it by themselves. So as a admin, I'm going to leave it don't share. Yeah. All right, so all the information has been put in. I'm ready to launch. Just click finish. Might take a couple of minutes. All right, so the configuration is complete. You can see all the information is stored here. You can also set up Einstein email insights, but we're going to do that in the next video. In case you need to change anything later on or change your sync, then you can come here and reset your Einstein as well. All right, so all the configuration is complete. The only step remaining is to enable Einstein and create a sync from a user's perspective. So for that reason, I'm going to log out as myself. I'm going to log in as Ada. Right, so whenever somebody logs into their system, they would see this message on top of the screen where it says Einstein activity capture is enabled. To start using it, connect your email and calendar to Salesforce. So when they click on it, they will directly go into the Einstein activity capture settings. As you can see, it's right here. It will ask you to connect an account. Basically, it's asking you to connect your Gmail account. Click on connect account. Click on I have read and understand these terms. Click on next. And then all you want to do is connect to your Google, Microsoft Office or Exchange account. So if you did your Gmail, you can click on your Google account and then connect to that. As simple as that. All right, so that's probably the end of this video. Thank you all for listening. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.